Gather the material through your eyes, through your touch, through your smell. You are never not gathering. You are never not making. Take note of the sounds all around you. The far-off bird song, the sun on your skin, the rustle of the grass, the footfalls, the insects, the flowers, the pleasure, the itch, what kind of image are you living? What kind of image is living through you? A fully immersive, four-dimensional motion picture. The indentations of the muscles, the way they writhe, twist, the continual flex of the mouth, and around the eyes, the color of this and that. The way sunlight shines through the clouds as opposed to the open air. A gentle breeze. Just as you are perceiving everything around you perceives you. What is the world making through you? The pumping of the blood through your heart. The way thoughts flow in and flow out. The way your mood rises and falls. Begin to move just a little bit more. Just a little bit. A faint breeze. The crumpling of a petal. Or a source of comfort. as you begin to move through the space, I want you to consider everything that we've been talking about. Shape, curvature, angles, texture, sound. What is the moment going to make through you? Will it be different to what it has made through you before? A variation on a theme. If your body is its own language, what is it saying? How is it saying? Interact with the material. The smallest, the largest. The most inconsequential. The directions in which you move and move away from. Familiarize yourself with the material at which you are a center. Not the center, but a center. One center among a number of others, kind of like a computer. It is possible to have more than one core. If we are part of what the universe results in, ever changing, ever staying the same, what new and unique experience will you produce for yourself? I want you to think of each sensation, each new feeling as a treasure. How much will you find? How much will you make? Slowly over the next little while, you will continue to move outward. There will be no end product, only process. The process is living. You are the process. Play with it. This is the time you've been looking for, to just be. If you're looking from a sign from the universe, this is it. Hello, hi. How are you? do you do that? How are we doing this? How is all this happening? See what you can find. See what you can make. Do you feel bored? Embrace it. Feel the boredom. Are you content? Embrace it. Feel the contentment. And when I say feel it, I mean really feel it out. Imagine it like clay that you run your fingers through and knead like dough. Stretch it out, twist it. Slowly begin to move a little more. Slowly. Feel the rhythm of your heart. The rhythm of your breath. Make your own words.